No workshop, no adapter, no goggles, no problem. Toss it in your backpack, standard USB-C power. From a coffee shop to outdoor camping, your creative studio is right in your bag. Engrave it, make it personalized in minutes. Hanboost C1 creativity has no limits. And fine, precision so fine. Safely with your bare eyes, let your creation shine. Small enough to go anywhere. Hanboost T1 unbox the whole new world.